Guys, this is probably one of the worst air filters I've ever seen in my entire career. This one's pretty bad. Check this out. What's up, guys? Mower Medic 1 here, and today's video is going to be on this. Almost new-ish. It's a Craftsman, 21-inch, I believe, and it's got the Kohler Courage little XT series engine on it, overhead valve. Kind of looks like a the old Honda with the old Harmony engine. Kind of built the same way. I think it's built after that style of engine, but this has got the auto choke on it. As you can tell, there's the thermistor or thermostat behind the muffler there, and the issue is it'll crank up, and once it goes off of choke, it just falls on its face and dies and doesn't run worth a poop. So let's go ahead and get this thing on the bench. First thing I notice is that it's missing the cable or the bail stop. It's just a little flat piece of metal that mounts bolts right here, and they always vibrating out. I'll have to let him know that that's missing, but that's not going to hinder the operation of the engine. So the complaint is it'll crank up and it'll run on choke, and once it warms up and comes off of choke, the engine just peters out and dies. So let's see what it's doing. So it's not coming off of choke. So we may not have a carburetor problem per se. We may just have something wrong with the thermistor. But let's check it out. Almost running like it's got a stopped up air filter. Holy macarolis. Holy Jesus. Guys, that has got to be one of the worst filters I've ever seen. Look at that. I don't have this filter. Surely I'm not gonna have to order one of these. They might accidentally have one at Tractor Supply. Maybe. Look at that. I'm gonna give it a start just to see if it cures itself. Not really cure itself, but let's see if it runs better. Huh, we may have a compound issue here. That just died. I wonder if it's got any gas in it. Nope, empty completely. Batting 1,000 on this repair, aren't we? Let's put some non-ethanol, good fresh gas in this thing and see if it'll stop surging. Love this thing. With that filter being clogged up like that, I guarantee you this oil is black, black, black. It's not too bad actually. I guarantee you this plug is going to be pretty fouled as well. Oh yeah, and it's not, I don't think that's normal spark plug threads. Look how fouled that is. I believe this has got 12mm threads instead of the 14mm that fits like a Briggs. This old filter is a little bit smaller than the old 491 588 Briggs. So we're definitely gonna have to go get us a filter and a spark plug. Now this engine's kind of a weird engine. It's got different size spark plugs, different size filters. It's Kohler for you. Go ahead and get this new plug put in here. Go ahead and put this new air filter in here, and it does fit pretty good. Gotta kind of have to massage it in there. Oh yeah, that's a good fitting filter. All right, let's see if it'll crank on one pull now. gonna let it get good and hot, and I'm gonna change the oil on it. It only holds about 18 to 20 ounces of oil. That little doodad right there is easy to cross thread, buddy. There we go. We're full. Alrighty guys, we got that Craftsman push mower going one more time, and all it needed was just a good old-fashioned tune-up. Y'all have a good rest of your day. Hey, if this content helped you out, and I know it did, give me a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. While you're there doing that, lost my breath for all of a sudden. Getting old. Tell you what, while you're there doing that, go ahead and click that bell so that you get all of my new videos. Y'all have a good day. More Medic 1.